Hi, I'm Thomas Skelly from Forsyth Real Estate. Today it gives me great excitement to introduce you to 38A Duneba Avenue in West Pymble. This is currently the best entry-level home you'll find in West Pymble today. You'll find Gordon West shops just down the street, Gordon West Primary School 100 metres away. You've got a short distance to Ku-ring-gai Aquatic Centre, Bicentennial Park, West Pymble shops, Gordon Village, and a 5-minute drive to Macquarie Centre. Well, now that you've seen inside, you'll agree with me this is a wonderful home. I look forward to meeting you at the next inspection.